Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Kerala-style salmon fry. First, begin with about 500 grams of fresh salmon fillets, ensuring they are clean and thoroughly patted dry. Next, create a vibrant marinade using a paste of ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Incorporate a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and the juice of half a lime. Mix well and generously coat each salmon piece. Once your salmon is fully coated, let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes to allow the flavors to deeply infuse. For cooking, heat 2 generous tablespoons of fragrant coconut oil in a wide, shallow pan over medium heat. Carefully place the marinated salmon pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. To achieve that perfect crispy texture, it is crucial to maintain a consistent medium heat throughout the frying process, preventing the delicate spices from burning. Gently flip the salmon pieces to ensure they cook evenly and develop a beautiful crust on both sides. The goal is a delightful, crispy exterior with a tender, flaky interior. The total cooking time should be around 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. Once your Kerala-style salmon fry is perfectly cooked, transfer it to a serving platter. For an authentic touch, garnish generously with fresh, fragrant curry leaves and a final squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten all the flavors. This hot, crispy salmon fry is absolutely delicious, served alongside fluffy steamed rice and a simple vegetable side dish. Enjoy this flavorful and easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.